For several days, there was heavy rain in southern Malaysia, causing flooding in Negeri Sembilan, with many homes damaged. Tzu Chi volunteers visited 53 flood survivors and gave them emergency supplies.
Due to heavy flooding in Negeri Sembilan, Seremban, and Port Dickson City, residents are busy cleaning up their community.
Around 7:30 a.m., water started flooding into the house. There wasn't enough time to move our furniture.
40 households were affected by this incident. Clothing, furniture, electronics, refrigerators, and televisions were damaged.
There was still heavy rain when Tzu Chi volunteers arrived, but emergency supplies were still given out, aiding 53 households.
On behalf of all the residents of this village, I would like to thank Tzu Chi. Our burdens were relieved since the volunteers visited.
Thank you for coming, seeing the volunteers at the village in the past few days. I'm very touched. Your help is very much appreciated.
While visiting local residents, Tzu Chi volunteers promoted the Bamboo Coin Bank, hoping to inspire residents to make daily donations for a good cause.
It's a